Hello. How to repair these two LED lamps on e70 LCE BMW X5 rear taillights LCE edition, yes, from 2010 till 2013 year. First of all, we need to find a problem. Where is this problem? Why did not work? Problem was here. This rubber did not allow you to water go down to inside of headlights. It's not correct. You need to repair this. I was get scotch from 2N scotch here, and here we go. That's all. Now this rubber will great. Will works okay, and water did not come inside, because when it's come inside you can see here inside is a water. It's come down from top to bottom. Yes, it's not good. We solve a problem. Now we solve the water comes to LEDs, this to 4 LEDs, and connect these LEDs, and they didn't work anymore. I will drill it off this item. Yes, from this side, it's enough to drill it off, and now you can get off this item. Each item was repaired by me. However, I will show you what it's very hard to get off. I don't create a big hole because I don't want after this that it will come inside. Oh yes, I will rotate some to right, and here we go. Here we see repaired item. I was get Chinese some LED lamps. It's 9 watt LEDs. Because I was tried 24 watts lamp LEDs. It's not very good because there was too much lights. Yes. Now you can see I was connect here. After this I was here, and now here was connected 2 wires, and it will light will go into LED lamps. LED lamps you can see here. It's just plastic, nothing here, just plastic. Lights go to these plastics, and you see a reflection from these plastics here. Yes, because here have some items we can put inside. Yes, we can put inside. Yes, here needs to connect properly. Here is hole where we need to connect. It's not too easy to do this. However, it's possible. Go to incorrect very hard to do this with one hand, however. Okay. Oh, here we go. Now it's if we look here straight, you will see here's special hole. You insert here. Here you can insert this item. Now we show you. Yes, check. And these plates do not move. Now I will show you what's finally it's how it's work now. Its work looks like OEM light. You didn't see any connect need to connect 20 volts, yes. But remember, you need to know where is plus and where is minus. Here we go. Now you see how it's work. It's work okay. From any angles you see its headlights, it's like new. Thank you for watching. Maybe someone helps to repair this headlight. Thank you and goodbye.